Hello my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, welcome back to another seedling video. So anyway, today I'm going to seedling another vegetable. So guys, if you like to watch like these crazy farm life videos, just subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. Okay guys, so this is a reminder, if you missed our previous videos about we had a lot of seedling process, we had do a lot of transplanting process, you can check about in this playlist. Okay, so today I have another seed packet in here. So anyway guys, you can see this is Sri Lankan 80 rupees and you can see a lot of information in here. I mean the pack date, also the expire date and lot of things. Anyway, you know, those old seeds are not will grow. So anyway guys, let's see what is this vegetable. Okay, so this vegetable is yellow cucumber. Okay guys, this one we don't need to seedling, so anyhow if we seed we can save our time. So after that will be seed, we can just transplant them in directly in the soil. So guys, anyway, let's go to seedling this yellow cucumber. Okay guys, so I'm at my nursery seedling area. Anyway guys, so let's go to open this and see how this yellow cucumber seeds like. Okay guys, I had already opened that, so let's go to see how it look like. Okay guys, in here we can see the yellow cucumber seeds. Okay, let's take them out and see it clearly. Okay guys, I'm going to put the yellow cucumber seeds in here, so we don't have anything in here, so just I will keep them side. Okay guys, so this is yellow cucumber seeds, you can see that clearly. Okay guys, now I'm going to take the cucumber seeds into my seedling cup. Okay guys, so here we go. So you can see those yellow cucumber seeds. So anyway, let's go to seedling our these seeds. Okay, so most important thing is, you already know, we need to take our pot, or you can find any, you already know, anything for seedling this, because of we just going to seedling, not the direct transplant them or direct plant them. So just I will use like the seedling nursery bag. So anyway, this is my name. I call them nursery bag. So anyway guys, you can find like this small one, this it is enough, but just I can find like this one. So I'm going to use this for seedling our yellow cucumber seeds. Okay guys, so most important thing in the is the mixture. So guys, you can find in the description, I already made what's inside that. We had add manure, also compost, also a lot of things in there, soil, everything. So in the mixture you can find at the description, because just I need to do this video in shortly, so that's why I trying to short this one. Alright guys, I need my both hands, so after I put the mixture into my nursery bag, I'll see you soon. Okay friends, I had put the mixture into the bag. So next I'm going to put my yellow cucumber seeds in here. Okay guys, so we are on there, so I will mix it. Yeah. So after that we can add a little bit more mixture, our mixture. Anyhow, I think we need just add a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. So guys, this is yellow cucumber seedling. So I'm going to add water. So let's go to add 1 cup of water. Let's drink it. So anyway guys, I'm going to add the water in here. Okay. Okay guys. So there is a most important thing. The most important thing is guys, you just need to protect this from snails like those insects. Because of guys, it's most important thing, because their favorite food is like those small plants. Anyway guys, I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. So guys, if you like this video, just please make like in this video. Also guys, if you like to watch more crazy farm like this, just subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, see you in future. after these cucumber seeds big, we can transplant them in soil. Okay guys, see you, bye bye, see you in next video.